Autostrada are delighted to offer this 2007-07 registered Renault Clio Sport finished in a very rare French racing blue. This car has covered just 68,000 miles from new. Key features on this car include steering column mounted audio controls, cruise control, onboard trip computer, electrically operated door mirrors, traction control, 6-speed manual gearbox, radio CD player and 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. This car will be supplied with 12 months MOT and Autostrada's approved 125 used car health check with a report supplied.